Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
YouTube removed the legacy annotations editor in 2017 and stopped creating annotations. The old annotations are deprecated and do not appear on mobile devices. For current interactivity, use cards, end screens, and pinned comments to guide viewers. Cards work during playback and end screens appear in the final 5 to 20 seconds of a video. Pinned comments can link externally or highlight playlists. This guide focuses on adding and timing cards and end screens for better engagement. Open YouTube Studio and navigate to Content to select the video you want to edit. Click the Editor tab and then choose Add Card to insert interactive elements. You can add up to 5 cards per video and place them at specific timestamps for context. Choose from types like video, playlist, channel, poll, or link if enabled for your account. Place cards at moments like 30 seconds or after key points to encourage clicks without disrupting viewing flow. Add end screens from the editor by selecting the end screen option and choosing elements. End screens appear in the final 5 to 20 seconds of a video and may include up to 4 elements simultaneously. Use clear CTAs like Watch Next or subscribe and position elements inside the safe area for all devices. Avoid overcrowding by limiting elements to 2 or 3 when possible to improve conversions. Finally, monitor clicks and audience retention in YouTube Analytics to refine placements and messaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.